Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 Elegance is where raw performance meets sophisticated luxury. With its bold appearance, cutting-edge features, and thrilling dynamics, this SUV sets a new standard in the high-performance luxury segment. Whether you're a fan of Mercedes or just a car enthusiast, this beast is sure to impress on every level. From the outside, the GLE 63 Elegance instantly commands attention. Draped in a stunning glossy white finish, the SUV's sleek curves and sharp lines are enhanced by the aggressive AMG styling package. The massive Panamericana front grille, flanked by fierce LED headlights and signature DRLs, gives the vehicle a dominant road presence. The front bumper, with large air intakes and chrome detailing, speaks volumes about the SUV's performance-oriented soul. On the sides, the muscular wheel arches house sporty multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires. Chrome-accented window trim, tinted glass, and body-colored side mirrors with integrated indicators complete the look. The rear is equally stylish, with sleek LED taillights, quad exhaust outlets, and a roof spoiler that adds to the aerodynamic appeal. Under the hood, the GLE 63 Elegance doesn't disappoint. Powered by a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, this SUV produces a heart-pounding 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The 0 to 100 km/h sprint happens in just 3.7 seconds, impressive for a vehicle of this size. An EQ boost starter generator adds an extra 21 horsepower for smoother starts and improved efficiency. The performance is matched by AMG-tuned suspension with adaptive damping, ensuring comfort in daily driving and rigidity when cornering hard. The AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip in all conditions, while the active roll stabilization makes sharp turns feel effortless. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a plush, tech-laden cabin. Fine Nappa leather wraps the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel. Carbon fiber and metal accents highlight the sporty interior, while ambient lighting sets the mood. The twin 12.3-inch displays act as both the digital instrument cluster and MBUX infotainment system, offering intuitive controls, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice activation. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and advanced climate control, making long journeys luxurious and enjoyable. With the rear seats folded, the cargo space easily accommodates all your adventure gear or shopping hauls. Safety and driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. In summary, the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 Elegance is more than just an SUV, it's a statement. It blends breathtaking performance with high-end luxury and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or cruising through the mountains, this car is ready to dominate the road in style. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more amazing cars in stunning detail, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us going.